Hello everyone, my name is Rocky, and today we're playing Roblox. Uh, and today is the 4th of July, so I decided to change my New Year's world and make it look like 4th of July, which doesn't really look like 4th of July, or doesn't really look like the theme of 4th of July, except for the fact that there's a American flag over there, and also I added a Kmart and a McDonald's over there for some reason. Uh, and I added new cars and I got rid of some other cars. So I I replaced that Mustang with the Tesla Model Y, and then I recolored the Dodge Ram to be from white to black. So all right, and I guess we're gonna be playing with the portal guns again. I have no idea why, but uh. Oh! What the? Wh Where'd it go? What? It, okay. Oh! Oh no. Oh no, I just messed up the whole. Oh, there's some Christmas stuff over here. I gotta get rid of that. Holy, holy moly. What? I can't even see where's the Kmart? Is it on the other side of the, okay. Alright, I restarted the map again. Oh, wait, what? Wait, there's no... Wait, why is there no Kmart logo? Okay, I guess... And there's no McDonald's... Oh, it's loading. Okay, there it is. There's the Kmart logo. Alright, let's go in here. What's in here? Can I even go in here? Oh, I can. Alright. Huh. Alright, so there's some stuff here. What's this? Portrait Studio. There's nothing in here. Huh. I don't even know what. Oh, this still teleports me over to the. Well, what was that? What the? Huh? What? Oh. Oh, I placed it. So that's... Well then, that's... Okay, well that's cool. Oh. Didn't last very long. Can I place another one? No, I can't. I guess I'll get some other fireworks. Alright, so I added some more fireworks. They aren't really red, white, and blue, but it'll work. Like, I see some yellow fireworks sometimes. And then I got this portal gun. Let's do this car next. I have this car in Greenville, actually. I don't know why I said that. Nissan, no. Oh, whoa, what was that? What? Why am I getting... oh. Well. Can I get off of here, please? I'm just shooting him everywhere. Where am I? Where am I? Can I get off of here, please? Jeez. Oh, I'm next to the Kmart. How did I get next to the Kmart? I thought it was over there. Okay, oh. It just moved. It did something. It did something. Okay, I guess oh! Guess it did do something. And now all the cars are glitching out again. Oh my gosh, look at that truck. Can I get to the Kmart? Up. Hey. At least I got to the Kmart. Jeez. Oh. There's a house up there. Can I get in the McDonald's? Well, even if I do get in there, there's not much to do in there because half of it is blocked off by the... I mean, I guess I can go into Kmart? I guess? Although there's nothing really to do in there, so I guess I'll go back out. I actually have no idea why I added a Kmart. I guess I just been interested in it for a while. Even though... Oh my gosh, the house got ripped apart! How did it even get ripped apart? What was that? Did it just move? Yeah, I guess not. Why did I think it moved? Oh great, it's how did I get up? Am I in a car? I'm in a car. Where am I? Where am I? Where? Oh, I'm behind the... How did I get over here? Okay, I don't know I was trying to go over there, but these portals don't really work that well. Come on. I'm bouncing. Stop. Stop bouncing. Oh my gosh. Oh, finally. It's up. Stop. I'm trying to... No. Oh. What? Ford noises? That's the sound Fords usually make. Doo-doo-doo. That's usually what Ford... What Ford was I in? Can I get out? Oh, thank you. Jeez Louise. Alright, I'm gonna go past here. Can I get in this Tesla? Oh! Oh no. What? I'm not in the oh! Alright, so I was able to get some more fireworks, so... oh, well, that wasn't one of them, but... What? Oh, come on, I get stuck with these two? Okay, well... Oh! And it just killed me! Why did it kill me? It didn't even launch into the sky, it just straight up killed me. And I still die from those. And, alright, run! 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 I said run! Okay. And it exploded all the cars that were right next to it. Alright, and then I got this one. Oh, that's cool. Wait, where? Alright, it's over here. That's, oh, they disappear. Alright. Alright, that's cool. Alright, and then I got another one right here. Oh! Wow, okay, I like that one. Whoa. Christmas colors. It's sad that I can't spam this, though. Wow. Those are some bright colors. Ooh. Alright. Let's see if I can glitch out the cyber. What happened? What? What? Oh, it lifted up the... Did it... It got rid of the parking lot and some of the cars in it. Oh. And they're wedged into the ground. Well, at least some of them. Like, this one's fine. But this truck, oh no, that truck. And this car and that car. What was that? I just saw something flash. And maybe it was nothing. Alright, glitch out the Honda Pilot. Oh. Oh, and more cars fell under the... But it gets so quiet all of a sudden. Come on! How many times am I gonna... Alright, how do I get over there? Alright. Alright, so the wall goes all the way up there. So what if I just... Uh-oh, wait, no! Oh! I just straight up landed in the sunroof of that BMW! My goodness! Is there a way around? Can I go over there? Nope, I just fell off the... Holy moly. Look at that truck! What's it? Okay, where did... What? Oh no. I think I just made it worse. I definitely just made it worse. Yep, and now that Taurus... I can hear it. I can hear it getting damaged. Let's go over there towards that Model Y. And I just fell off of the... How did I even... Did I just accidentally step off of the spawn point and I just... That's what I did, wasn't it? What? Why am I not teleporting? There's literally a blue portal over there. Okay, apparently there's another one. Oh, okay. My voice just went up there. My voice got so high pitched. I didn't even... Wow, so it actually worked. And this one didn't. No, it does. What? I don't even know which one works anymore. Oh my... What are y'all doing? Oh wait. I gotta jump before I... What? Okay, no. Alright. This is like my, what, 4th attempt of restarting this? Because I keep glitching out the cars by using the portal gun on them, and then they just start flying everywhere. There's nothing over there. I was gonna add a Walmart too, but I decided to go with the Kmart. And I thought it would, like, make the map too laggy, but for some reason it kind of already is laggy with the Kmart and the McDonald's, so I feel like if I had the Walmart it would make it worse. What's over there? What? Oh, the window broke. The window broke. Well, you should keep your windows more. What's over there? You guys see that? Hold on, I'm gonna make a portal over there. Oh, it actually worked. Alright, what's over here? Oh, it's the garden area of the Kmart. Okay. That's pretty cool. You can hear the fireworks over there. But I like this. I like this little garden area. Where they have all their plants. I think Meyer has these now. Like Meyer and I guess Walmart, I think. And now I'm on the other side of the Kmart. Yeah, I'm inside the Kmart now. What if I made like, another world where there's like I don't know, like this is kind of like a maze, so like I can make like a monster. It would just like kind of like the maze. Like I wouldn't make it a game because I don't know. I kind of just make these for myself, and I just like add a monster in it, and I just like add a monster in it. I mean that'd be kind of cool. I think I'm gonna use like Kmart or Target, or maybe I could just add multiple stores. Like I could just add like a Kmart, and then a Walmart next door, and then a Target, a Meijer, and who knows? Maybe I'll add some other stores, like maybe a Barnes and Noble or Toys R Us or. That's a lot of fireworks, I must say. Alright, what should I do now? Can I glitch out the Kmart? Can I do that? Kmart logo? I mean, the logo didn't really come with the store. I had to, like, get a separate... I had to get this separately, because... This actually used to say Big Kmart. This actually used to be a Big Kmart, but then I just searched for a logo that just said Kmart. And also I do like this Cybertruck now. I think it's growing on me. I think because, I don't know, I think I just got used to its unique looks now. I just saw something over there. What did it say? Alright, what about the Chevy Impala? Oh! Oh! Well, at least I didn't fall. Oh my. Holy. Glad I'm not in that car right now. My goodness, that car is tweaking out. My goodness. Are you okay? Oh no. What are you doing? Are you about to glitch out too? Oh. Should I go in there? I'm gonna run. I'm gonna go straight in there. Oh no. Nope, that was a bad idea. That was definitely a bad idea. That was definitely a bad idea. Where am I? I don't even know where I am. I'm just clicking portals everywhere. Oh no, I'm making it worse. I'm making it worse. I'm so making it worse. I'm just spamming the portal gun and I'm actively making it worse. I'm tumbling down the... Well, Well, at least I can still go to the Kmart. Let's go over there. Alright. Now what? I don't know what to do. We just glitch these cars out. There's a GMC Hummer EV over there. It would be kind of cool if I would glitch out the Kmart. Oh wait, what? Did that portal just go through the? Oh. Oh. Huh. That's cool. Oh no. How do I get out? I can't even tell where the... It's these green light things. That's where the doors are. I couldn't tell where the doors were for a second. Okay, that looks weird. No, no, please. No, none of that. Oh, well, I guess I'm gonna restart this again. So... I've been working on this for like... I don't know, like 10 minutes, and... I added a Toys R Us. And I don't know why, but... I got a bomb and a rocket launcher. That I could just spam. I could just spam the rocket launcher. And I don't know... I actually don't know why I got that. Oh! I just blew up that Dodge Charger! I think it was a Dodge Charger. Now I don't remember because I exploded it. Then I exploded that other car. I'm just blowing things up Why did I add this? I have no idea why I add this. Alright, let's go into the Toys R Us. What's in there? Alright. It has the same thing as the Kmart over there. Man, R.I.P. Toys R Us. Anyway. So we still got the portal gun. I'm gonna glitch out this car. I think it's a Renault Megane. Oh! Oh gosh, I glitched into the ground. I think it's a Renault Megane. Uh-oh. Oh. It's not glitched into the ground anymore. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. Oh. What? How am I alive? What? 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 How am I alive? Wait, can I get up there? Oh, as soon as I touch the wall, it just... Okay, well... No, I was... I was... No! What? What? Where am I? What is this? Is that a house? I'm in a... Where am I? I don't even know where I am anymore. Okay, so there's a wall right there. I can spawn 2 blue portals for some reason. Probably because I died before I could... No. Okay, there. There we go. Up. Okay. Guess I'll go to the Kmart. Can I go in, actually? I don't think I can. Oh. Yeah, I can't. It's blocked. The entrance is blocked by the grass. No. Oh, I just teleport to the house again. Can I go over there? Nope, I can't. Okay, this is my 6th attempt. I don't even know anymore. I forgot how many times I restarted this map. Maybe I'll just look it over when I'm editing this. I finally know how to edit now, so. Huh. Alright. I'm gonna glitch out this Dodge Ram 2500. I don't think I can. I can't. Alright, let's go to the McDonald's. What? Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, what's in here? Okay, what? Oh, I thought there was just a... I thought there was a giant hole in the building. That's just the shadow. Okay. Alright, let's go back here. What's... Alright. Cafe pie, apple baked apple pie. There's a bunch of burgers back here. Alright. What's in here? I just entered there. Okay, alright, so I guess it's... Oh! What? Honda Pilot? Or... Oh. Oh no, the Cybertruck. Oh, I gotta get away from here. I gotta get away from this area. That's not... Oh, it's all good now. Oh, no, no, no. No, it's not. No, it's not. Gotta get out of here. Oh, my... What? Oh. What was that? I heard... Whoa. Okay. Chevy Impala? Oh. What was that? Well, whatever that was, it... And now the houses are ever... Oh! Nope, nope. I am going away from there. I am going away from that area. Holy moly. Oh, I can... Nope, it still kills me. Oh my gosh, there is so many stuff going on right now. There's so much stuff going on right now. I'm going here. Oh my gosh, the whole Kmart is filled with grass now. The floor in the Kmart is grass. How did that even happen? Definitely not my fault. Yeah, definitely not. Oh! I just saw a car. I just saw a car fly in the Kmart. I saw a car fly in here. Who's in here? Who else is in here? Maybe next time I do this, I should get some like speed pads or something. Cause my walking is slow. Oh, I get it. There's two doors right here. So, oh, that's why I keep getting confused. Because there are like two pairs of doors on one side. Oh! And now this car is wedged into the Toys R Us. How is that even... Okay. I can still get to the Toys R Us even though it's slightly, Alright, we got some bicycles back here with the, oh, I thought they had training. What? Can I move these? Oh. Wait, Domino's? Hold up. Yo, Domino's. Oh my gosh, there's just a whole bunch of bikes over. I'm just gonna walk on all of these. I'm walking on all the bikes. I am making a mess. I am messing the up. Uh-oh. Alright, now I'm gonna blow this all up. I'm gonna do it. Holy. Oh no. I thought they were gonna fall apart, but they're just flying everywhere. Alright, teleport! Teleport! Quickly! Alright, where'd they all go? Where'd all the bikes go? There's still... One of them is stuck on the ceiling! How is there a bike stuck on the ceiling? And most of the bikes are just wedged into the wall and on the shelf. What have I done? I am... Okay, let's just get these unstuck from the wall. Up, and I killed... You gotta be kidding me. Where am I? Kmart? Toys R Us? Okay, there we go. Oh, what? Is that a Christmas tree? Okay, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna see where the bikes are. Alright, bicycles. Wait, can I move these? Can I move these too? Wait, nope, wrong item. Nope, I can't move these, just the bikes. The bikes are just flying everywhere. Oh. Alright, where's the Toys R Us? Oh, there it is. Oh! What? What? Where am I? I'm under the... I'm under... Where am I? What? Where am I? Okay, I see a bunch of stars. And that's it. I don't see anything else. Okay, I can... Am I under the map? Wait, I saw something. I saw something. I saw something. Hold up. Oh yeah, I'm inside the ground. I am inside the ground. That explains a lot. Well then why can't I see the Toys R Us from here? Oh, cause I'm barely under... I'm in a car. That explains it. I'm in a car. Am I still in a car? Oh, I died. Okay, I died. That explains it now. What? What? Hey. What? Okay. What? Okay, I'm gonna go in here. Can I? I can't go in here anymore. Oh, there we go. I'm. What was that? I'm just gonna spawn a bunch of these and then run. Run! Oh no! What? Okay. Can I move any of the stuff in? What? What was that? Okay. Can I go in here? Can't believe this. I've been recording this for like 33 minutes. Why do most of my videos where I play games are like above 30 minutes? Or like above 10 or like above 20 minutes? Because usually whenever I see gaming videos, they're like, I don't know, like, depends on the game. It's like, if it's Roblox, it's like 10 or like maybe 15 minutes. But for like long time based games, it's like an hour, near an hour. But this isn't even long based. It's just Roblox. That's it. Like, it's literally just Roblox. Like, usually I see Roblox videos are like 10 or like 20 minutes. But my videos are like over 30 minutes. Sometimes, like, I have a BeamNG video that's like over an hour. Like, it's BeamNG Drive. Like, it's over an hour. Seriously. Oh my gosh, there are cars flying everywhere. And I ain't restarting because the map didn't glitch out. Look at the... Whoa! Whoa! I'm in a Mercedes-Benz E-Class. I'm, I'm stuck on a Cadillac Escalade. What? Oh, it was gonna go over there. I keep hearing a noise, but I don't know what that noise is. It's like a noise. Can I glitch out the McDonald's? No, I can't. Can I glitch out the Toyota Prius? I kinda can. Oh wow. That's Huh. What if I get in it? Would that be easier? Oh! Nope, never mind. I guess that worked. Huh. Well. Now what is this? Okay, I don't know what. Wait, no, it's coming towards me. No, it's coming towards me. I don't want to get in the car or else I'll fly with the car. Oh gosh. Up. This car came out of nowhere. Okay. Okay, now I just want to glitch out the map now. But I don't know which car to do it on. Oh, what was that? Okay. Well, that did it, kinda. Okay, it's coming from inside the Toys R Us, so maybe... Alright, what's in here? What? Oh my gosh, there's a car wedged into the wall. Alright, what's in here? What? 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 Where am I? I'm on top of the Toys R... How did I get on top of the Toys R Us? Okay. For some reason, I'm on top of the Toys R Us. How did I get up here? Oh. I was next to the backwards R. Oh no. Oh my. Is it this car? Is it this car that's... Oh. Okay, well, I kind of glitched out the map. Not to the point where I can't walk on it, but... I didn't glitch it out to the point where I can't walk on it, but I definitely glitched it out. And the cars are back in place. Huh. I think. Were those cars here? Or and they fell. Alright, what about the Tesla? Or this car? What's this car? Wait, what? Let me... It's a BMW. Huh. Okay. What about this Hummer? Can't believe I've been at it for this long. I can go to the Kmart logo and that's kind of it. Wow, this is, I gotta say, well, I should probably end the video, so yeah, yeah, happy 4th of July, everyone. I kind of forgot that, is this even a 4th of July related video anymore? I don't know. I guess that's all for now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys. I'm just gonna... Oh. And I died, just great.